Hey, this is Dave from Audience and Influence, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the key differences between a Facebook business page and a Facebook profile, and I'm going to help you decide which one of the two you should be using to grow your online business. Let's dive in. So there's a lot of confusion out there when it comes to building a business on Facebook, especially when it comes to where should you be posting your content. Should you be posting your content on your personal profile? Should you be posting on a business page? Or should you be doing both? And the reality is that any business owner knows how busy they are with all kinds of things that they need to be taking care of in their business. And so the idea of creating extra content or posting redundantly just doesn't make sense. You don't have time for that if you're looking to build your business quickly. You simply want the fastest path to getting new paying online clients. But you might have heard some advice contrary to that. Maybe you've heard the advice that you should be posting everywhere. You should be on every platform. You should be using all the tools. And the reality is that just takes you away from your focus. In reality, you should really be focusing on the one place where your ideal clients hang out, post content there, engage them there, and turn them into paying clients for yourself. And that's why I want to dissect with you Facebook business pages from Facebook profiles and help you make the right choice. Help you understand which of those two places you should be posting content and which one's going to get you the best results. So let's get started by taking a look at Facebook business pages. Facebook originally wanted to keep business content and personal content separate. And so it really promoted this idea of everyone who owns a business starting a business page and creating business content there while posting their personal content on their personal profile. And that worked great. Business owners initially would be posting this business content. It would get seen by their page fans, and they could use that engagement, use that interaction to turn those fans into paying customers and clients. But Facebook quickly realized their best way to monetize the Facebook platform was to stop showing business-related content for free. Instead, they want businesses like yours to advertise, to pay for ads to get that content seen. And so very quickly, us business owners started seeing the reach on our business-related content that we were posting through our business pages got less and less and less. And you probably know this. You probably see this if you run a business page. If you post a piece of content on your business page these days, virtually no one's going to see it unless you pay for an ad. And so that is one downside of using a Facebook business page to grow your business. Let me show you another downside. Here's a post from a business page that I used to run. As you can see, I posted a video here and not a lot of engagement. There's just 2 comments. There was no Facebook ad spend behind this, hence very few people saw it. But take a look at these comments. This person, Brenda, she asks, is the form templates you provide include Canada? And then Matthew says, delivering. Now, I don't remember what these people are referring to. This post was from a long time ago, but both of these people could be good leads. They could be good prospects. And in an ideal world, I would be able to reach out to them directly through the business page. But unfortunately, that's not a tool that's available. While I could go back and reply to their comment, I can't actually send them a direct message, a personal message through Messenger. Business pages can only reply to messages that come in. They can't send messages out. They can't send outgoing messages. And this is a big problem. If your business is growing by you outreaching to people who are engaging on your content, you simply can't do that through a business page. So should you be using a business page? Well, if you're running Facebook ads, then absolutely yes, because a business page is required to run Facebook ads. But if you're not paying for advertising and you're looking to get engagement, you're looking to get reach with your posts, you're looking to engage your audience, then using a business page isn't the best strategy. And instead, you should probably be looking at your personal profile to grow your online business. Now, as I mentioned, when Facebook started out, it really wanted to keep content separate. Business page content was all about business, personal profile content was all personal. But it quickly realized that there are a whole lot of entrepreneurs using the Facebook platform to push their message out to their audience. And Facebook realized that these entrepreneurs are actually keeping people on the Facebook platform longer. Guess what? Facebook loves that. And so it really has relaxed its stance when it comes to posting business-related content on your personal profile. In fact, Facebook is actually rolling out now what is called professional profiles. They're going to have all sorts of business tools and analytics tied to your personal profile. And this just shows that Facebook actually has seen that it's a good thing that people are using their personal profiles for business purposes. And so you might hear that and think, okay, Dave, are you telling me I should be posting all kinds of business content on my personal profile? Who's going to be following that? And who's going to be seeing my personal posts about my family? Like maybe you're getting worried, maybe this stresses you out. Let me show you an easy workaround. I'm going to go over to my personal profile, and you can see this is a post that I made, and I've got my cute little baby here, my baby daughter, and just posted a personal post. This is just about our life. It's not business related at all. Now, you might see this and think, okay, Dave, you're showing your daughter off to anyone in the world. And that is true. I have my personal profile settings opened up so that anyone can see my posts. But if that makes you uncomfortable, here's the easy workaround. I'm going to go up into the top right-hand corner. I'm going to click on these 3 dots, and then I'm going to go down to Edit Audience. And you can see that I have public turned on here. So this means that anyone can see this post. And I'd highly recommend that your business related content that you post in your personal profile be open publicly. You want as many people to see that as possible, right? However, if you have personal content and you don't want people to be seeing that personal content, you can change who your audience is. So you could select it to only your friends on Facebook so that no strangers could see it. You could choose friends that you want to eliminate from seeing it. You could have it posted to only you, which doesn't really make any sense. I don't know why you would post that way. You could also highlight specific friends that you want to show it to. If you have a post that's very personal and you only want it to say go to your immediate family, or you can customize. And so this just shows you that while you're using your personal profile for promoting your business, if there are things that you're posting there that really are actually personal and not appropriate for a wider audience, here's your workaround. You can select who will see those posts. Now, my recommendation to you is that when you're using your personal profile, you keep most, if not all of your posts public. And the reason is this is just going to really help your algorithm. The more people that engage on any of your posts, whether it's business related or personal, your Facebook algorithm is going to get stronger and stronger. And what this does is that as you continue posting, you're going to notice that more and more people are seeing your posts. I'm going to go over to my profile. I'm just going to show you. We can scroll through some of my posts and I can show you how you can end up with hundreds, even thousands of engagements. So I've got 265 likes, 97 comments on this one, 94 likes, 23 comments, 415 likes, 111 comments, 386 likes, 194 comments, 181 likes, 56 comments. And so you can see that as your algorithm builds up by you posting publicly on your personal profile, has to be on your personal profile. That's how you build your algorithm and that's how you expand your reach. Now, if you're looking at your personal profile posts and you're saying, well, Dave, I get like 3 likes and maybe a comment on a good day, then the reality is your Facebook algorithm just isn't strengthened yet. And the way that we really strengthen our algorithm is we use a tool called Facebook Audience Repair. And what it does is it scans your audience and it separates people into dead leads and hot leads. And it simply means people who are engaging versus people who aren't engaging. And those people who aren't engaging, guess what? They're probably never going to become your paying client or a paying customer. And so those people need to be removed from your audience so that you have more of these hot leads who are engaging and are sending signals to Facebook saying, your content matters. People care about your content. Therefore, Facebook, show this content to more people. And as you practice this, you're going to get more and more eyeballs on your personal profile content. And the cool thing about this is marketing your business through your personal profile is 100% for free. You actually cannot run Facebook ads through your personal profile. This is all organic. It's all free marketing. And so if you're interested in using the tool that we use to boost our algorithm and get more people to see our personal profile content, it's fbaudiencerepair.com, and I'll put a link in the description of this video and you can go check it out. As of the filming of this video, there is a lifetime offer on using this tool. I highly recommend check that out. If that lifetime offer is still there, jump on it and start using it so that you can market your business more effectively through your Facebook profile. And as a side note, do you remember when we were talking about Facebook business pages and one of the problems is that you can't outreach to people who are engaged? Well, the opposite is actually true for your Facebook personal profile. Let's take a look actually at this post right here. And so this post, it's a testimonial post about our client who earned over 13,500 in a month, was so excited, posted this testimonial, and you can see 56 comments here. Well, guess what? All these people, like Jeffrey here, who says slow and steady wins the race. So he's commenting on the message saying, yes, I agree with this. Well, guess what? Jeffrey is a prospect. This is a lead for me. And unlike with business pages where I can't reach out to Jeffrey, in this case, I certainly can and should. And the same is true for you. I want you to think about this as you're posting content on your personal Facebook profile and you start to get more and more engagement. You're working your algorithm. Your algorithm is getting stronger. More people are seeing your content. When you get these people engaging, not only should you reply to their comment. So in this case, I just say, Jeffrey, it often is true. Showing Jeffrey that I cared that he commented. I'm showing him that I saw his comment and I value it. I value his engagement, training him to engage hopefully again in the future. But in addition to this, I should be reaching out to see how Jeffrey is doing, to see if there's anything I can help him with. And this is what you should be doing as well. This is how you can easily prospect off your personal profile posts. So should you be using your personal profile to market your online business? And the answer is absolutely 100% yes. 100% yes. Even if you're running ads, even if you're using a Facebook business page, definitely be marketing yourself on your Facebook profile as well, because it's free. You can get huge engagement. You can get hundreds and thousands of fans. You can get in front of people who have never heard about your business before, and you can reach out to those prospects who are engaging with your content. So that's what I have for you today. If this video was helpful at all, give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments about these strategies, go ahead and leave those below. I'm happy to help out. And if you'd like to boost your Facebook algorithm on your personal profile, be sure to check out FB Audience Repair. Again, if that lifetime deal is still there, go ahead and grab that and start repairing your Facebook algorithm so that your content gets seen by way more people. This has been a game changer for our Facebook marketing, and I know the same will be true for you. So check out that link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.